Hello, I hope you can hear me over this machine over here in the building. But this is a 2006 Pontiac Gran Prix with a 3800 or a 3.8 engine. I'm going to be replacing the water pump. Here's the water pump is leaking on here. So this is how I'm going to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is get the coolant to drain. So I loosen up the bolts that hold on the ignition coil packs. I'm going to take these out the way so I can drain the coolant from the hose. It shouldn't be that much in there because it's been leaking pretty good. So that's what I'll be doing first. Okay, that exposes the lower radiator hose to the water outlet. So next I'm going to be taking off this fuse box. I'm going to move this to the side, and this reservoir tank. And that'll give me some room to work with over here to take the serpentine belt off and remove the water pump. This is what we're after here. This is the water pump. I've loosened the 4 bolts that hold the pulley on here, which takes an 8mm wrench or socket, and taking off the pulley now. And that exposes the water pump. These bolts look like they're about 10mm. These might be like 13mm here to take the water pump off. So I didn't take the fuse box off like I originally thought I would have to, but that's okay as long as I can reach the water pump. I'm going to try and remove these bolts, and hopefully none of them break inside. Alright, now take note on the water pump. There's a bolt that's down in the far corner. Let's see if I get a picture of it. Well, anyway, you have to remove the power steering pump. Get that out the way in order to get that bolt out at the bottom corner. see it from here. There's a bolt right here. That one has to come out. And then there's 4 other bolts that come off. And then the water pump should come off after that. The water pump removed. Now just to get off the old gasket. And ready to install the new one. Okay, this is the new water pump and gasket. As you see, I got the old gasket scraped off of there.
I'm gonna leave these keys here for you. I don't know if you'll need them.
Okay. Thanks.
Sit right here?
Go right there.
Okay.
And so next is to just install the water pump. Line up with these 2 pins here. One here, one over here. And begin tighten the bolts down. I guess do the little 10 millimeters first and the bigger 13 millimeters last to specifications according to the owner's manual. Okay, this shiny new part is the new water pump installed. I got the power steering pump installed, which is down here next to it. It's very difficult to put on without taking off the pulley, but I got those installed. Next I'm going to install the lower radiator hose and then put the pulley onto the water pump so I can put on the serpentine belt system. got the low radiator hose on. Now for the pulley.
Everything working out fine?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to put the serpentine belt back on. Okay, now I'm gonna put on this ignition coil packs. Okay, I got everything installed. New water pump pulley. Got all the belts on. Ignition coil packs on. Next, I'm gonna fill the radiator full with antifreeze. And look for it to leak out the bleeder screw, which is right here. Loosen that up already. That lets the air come out of the system. And let it run and check for operation after that.